What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Finally gonna show you guys my updated room tour. Okay, so we're gonna start from the outside, and this is the overview of my room. Like, as you walk in, this is what you see. So this is a little overview of my room. I'm just gonna start off by giving you guys a little tour of what's behind my door, which is this. First, here I have my main bags. I have more bags stored away, but these are my main bags. I just have 2 pink ones, I have 3 black ones, and 2 nude ones, just because these are the ones I use the most. I have this Steve Madden bag from TJ Maxx, this little MCM bag, my tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and then these 2 bags are like my everyday bags. I have my Kurt Geiger bag, and then my Tory Burch bag. I just have a bow on here because I was wearing it today, and I was wearing that clip today. And then I have this Michael Kors bag, as well as this little Steve Madden bag. So yeah, those are my main bags. I have this little shelf that I actually got from Target a few years ago. Right at the top I have some books. You guys, if you guys didn't know, I actually really love to read. I love poetry, so I have some books up there. A lot of these little things that I have here are just like from my graduation from 8th grade promotion and from high school graduation. Like my lays and stuff. I have my Polaroid camera as well as 2 Polaroids up there because I just thought it looked cute. Then in here, honestly, like kind of random things. And then in here are all my sunglasses and seeing glasses because I do use glasses to see. Down on this second shelf, I have glitter spray. I have a whole bunch of like Bath and Body Works and Ariana Grande body mists. Then I have lotions from Bath and Body Works. I have some sprays from Target and from Pink. I have some hand sanitizers, which I usually have right here because I put them in my bag. I just have some like body glitter. I have these little powder puffs as well because I also put these in whatever bag I'm using. So yeah, these are just like my essentials that I keep in every purse. Then in my little fridge, I just have some like candies and stuff in there. It's not plugged in. I kind of just use it for snacks. I don't really use it to actually keep things cold. My personal favorite shelf right here is my perfume shelf, which if you guys were on TikTok, you guys seen me organize this. But the top shelf right here is just mini perfumes. Here I have my Sol de Janeiro little mini sprays as well as mini lotions, which I like to keep in my purse. I have my big Sol de Janeiro pink perfume. I have a Target perfume, hair oil from Sol de Janeiro, and then my Juicy perfume. I have my deodorants. I know this deodorant's not good for you, the spray one, but you know, mind your business. Then here I have this little shelf that I actually got from Amazon. I got this from TJ Maxx, by the way. This is from Amazon. And I just have my perfumes. I have some Ariana Grande ones, more Ariana Grande. I have my Carolina Herrera. These are hair mists, and then the matching body sprays. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. And then hair mist body spray. And then Burberry, Miss Dior, more Ariana Grande, more Sol de Janeiro. I love Sol de Janeiro. And then my 2 little lotions in vanilla and the Fresh and Cozy scent. Those are the ones I use for my body. We're getting lower and lower. I don't really like how this whole situation looks, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. So in here I have headbands and beanies, like little hair accessories. Here I have my hot tools and my blow dryers, and then in this little bag I have my like headbands for makeup, and then pink headbands for makeup, and then I have hair care items, my dry shampoo, just, you know, hair stuff. Down here I have nail stuff. My mom was using this in the morning, but I have nail stuff. And then here I have more miscellaneous things, like I have miscellaneous hairbrushes, I have some perfumes, hairsprays. But yeah, that's everything that's right here, all just like little accessories. Here I have my TV. If you guys know, my vanity used to be against this wall right here, so this is what I seen. So yeah, I just flipped my room around. And then my bed actually was a twin bed, but it extends because it's a day bed, so I ended up extending it and getting a new mattress, and this is my new bed. Under these drawers I have, those are just clothes. These are like leggings and PJs and sweats, and those are pants under there. And then I have all just my bed. My bed sheets are from Target. All my blankets are also from Target. I have my iPad, my laptop, and my remote control. All my pillows and pillowcases are from Target. Here I have some little bedtime slippers as well as some stuffed animals, because I actually have those stuffed animals on my bed, but I don't like how they look on my bed, so I put them in a little basket. Then here I have some of my shoes, like some of my, like, I don't know, like just shoes. I have Gucci, Burberry, Tory Burch, my Yeezy slides, some Coach slides, Steve Madden and Tory. And then right here I have my backpack for school, and then right underneath there I have just a whole bunch of miscellaneous bags and my Lululemon fanny packs, a whole bunch of more purses that I don't use on the daily basis. That's why they're not on the back of my door. And then here I have my waist trainers. I have 3 of them. They're just right there because I just don't really know where to store them, and all of this stuff is really ugly, so I just kind of keep it back here because if you guys could tell, you guys can't really see it like when you're looking at my room, so that's why I keep it there. I have this little light from Amazon. It's in my Amazon storefront actually, so my Amazon storefront's linked down below if you guys want a customized LED light, and I will show you guys how it looks on. So that is how the LED light looks on, and it actually has 3 different like, what's it called, 3 different modes. So like it can be lighter and or more bright. Guys, I'm running out of breath from how fast I'm talking. But here I have all my makeup stuff, all my makeup drawers. But first, back here I have a whole bunch of candles, just a whole bunch of them. I have this little pumpkin painting that me and my boyfriend did. We did like a little pumpkin painting, and we painted those, and he painted that one for me with his initial, and I painted one for him. And then I have my lighter here because for my candles, duh. And then this is from the little ramo that he got me when he asked me to be his girlfriend. So it says "Quieres ser mi novia," and then just the little butterflies. And then I just have them like around this crown that I just been having. So I don't know, really know where to put it yet, so I just have it there for now. Here I have lip liners, lipsticks and lip glosses, more lipsticks, more lip glosses, more lipsticks, more lip glosses. I have like lip treatments and lip masks in here. First drawer, very miscellaneous. I have a lot of my eyelashes, my phone stand for when I go live on TikTok, a box cutter for my packages, and just some eyelashes because I have eyelash extensions, so I don't really use any of this anymore. Second one is primers. I have primers and like skincare in here. Most of my skincare is in my bathroom though, but here I have primers. I have like some sunscreens, allergy medicine, my gua shas, setting sprays. I have these makeup remover wipes, then this little JLo eye cream. Doesn't fit anywhere. Second drawer, I have my eyebrow stuff. I have eyeliners. I have some brushes and some mascaras. My Got2b glue that I use for my eyebrows. I have some eyeshadow bases and like eyeshadow glitters. Then I have some eyelash glue back there because I don't really use that, like I said. This drawer is mainly just highlighters. It's all highlighters, highlighting palettes. You guys can see back there, a whole bunch of highlighting palettes. Next here I have my foundation and powder drawer. So I have my favorite pressed powders, which are the Fit Me, as well as the Too Faced. I have Fit Me, Kylie. I have the Huda Beauty, Anastasia, Milk, Fenty. I have concealers, which my concealers that I use the Tarte Shape Tape in the Radiant, and then the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Those are the ones I use on the daily. I have some foundations. I just bought this foundation today, so that's why it's still in the box because I'm waiting to see if I like it, just so I can make sure I'm not gonna return it. But yeah, these are all my foundations. Pretty Fresh, Dior, the e.l.f. Halo Glows. This has been my go-to foundation though. This next drawer here is all my blushes and bronzers and contour sticks. So I'm gonna bend down a little bit here. I have some little like bronzer and face palettes. I have some bronzer, Natasha Denona. I have my Juvia's Place. I have some bronzer. I have my Hourglass contour stick, Fenty contour stick. I have my e.l.f. Halo wands. I have Rare Beauty, Pixie, e.l.f., Dior. All my Kylie blushes. I love Kylie blushes. And then I use this every single day. Or this is like my main every single day kind of bronzer contour stick. But it doesn't quite fit there, so I just keep it on the side right here. This next drawer is not aesthetic at all, but it's my electronic drawer. And then I just have random stuff in here, like that random palette that I don't use, some ribbon, a Hot Wheels that is Beauty and the Beast, because if you guys don't know, I love Beauty and the Beast. It's my favorite Disney movie besides the Aristocats, which Aristocats is right there. This little Kuromi phone case. I just have a whole bunch of miscellaneous things. This next drawer is all my hair things. I have a whole bunch of bows, a whole bunch of claw clips, a whole bunch of headbands. And then down here I have palettes, which I'm not going to go through. If you guys want an updated vanity tour where I go through all my makeup things, then I will. But this is more of a room tour, so I'm just going to show you guys the basics. My pride and joy is my vanity itself. The chair's from Amazon, but they currently don't have it anymore. So I linked some in my storefront that are very similar. And even cuter, so you guys can go look at my Amazon storefront for that. I got my vanity from a furniture store, a local furniture store. In the corner I just have this little Pandora bag. I just bought a ring today, guys. I bought this ring today, this middle ring, because I went to the mall. Here I have some gold hoops. I have my rings right here, my silver rings. Then I have silver jewelry in here, and then I have some gold jewelry and miscellaneous jewelry in there. So that's my jewelry box. I have a picture of me and my boyfriend on my birthday when he asked me to be his girlfriend. And the ramo that he asked me with is right there. Can you see? His eyes are definitely closed in that picture, and I look like I am a ghost. But we're not going to talk about that. Here I have my little brush organizer, which, guys, I have this one, if you guys remember. Have my Crocs down there and some makeup bags, but I wanted to show you guys this thing that I had up here before. The reason why I don't have it up there anymore is just because I feel like it was getting really cluttered on my vanity, and I feel like I didn't really have a lot of space, and it took up a lot of space, and it also blocked this whole thing. So I wanted to take it off so that I could enjoy all the space on my vanity again. But it is really cute, and I might put it back on later on, but right now I really liked this. This acrylic organizer is from TJ Maxx. This one is also from TJ Maxx. I have my beauty blenders, and then my sponges. I have this mirror here, which you plug in and it like turns on. I got this from Ulta. I have 3 drawers in my vanity, and I have hair rollers and hair brushes. I have lip masks and oils. I have like my Q-tips, spoolies, sharpeners for my lip liners, little eyebrow shavers, tweezers and scissors. I have a whole bunch of little hair styling clips. I have my Aquaphor and my lotion, because this is what I use for my face. Some fans for my face and my eyelashes. Some little, like, I'm gonna open it. Some little of like these hair ties, and then regular hair ties, a makeup headband, little brushes when I do my hair. This hot tool mask, hot tool mat. So I put it right here so that I put my curling iron on there. And then here I just have some face masks. And then I have this little like mixing tray for if I need to mix my foundation shade or whatever, so I don't have to do it on my hand. So yeah, that's my whole vanity basically. Love it. She's so cute. Then I have this mirror here that I got from, as a gift actually. I think it was from like Etsy or something. Then this is the wall. This is the infamous wall that you guys have stared at for so many years, and now I get to stare at it. As you guys can see, my whole room is white. It's just this wall is pink. So that's why a lot of you guys were confused, saying that you guys thought I painted my room. But it was never all pink. It was only one wall that was ever pink. But yeah, I get a lot of questions on this. I was literally saying how I was gonna miss how, like, you guys were just always asking me, where's your Marilyn Monroe poster from? That's literally the main comment I would get on my lives. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna miss it at all. But for those of you guys asking, I got it from San Francisco, Pier 39, at this little poster shop. I got that from Ross, Hobby Lobby, YouTube. And yeah, so that's my wall. And then there, I also got this from, I think, Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. My closet here is a little messy, but up here I have shoes. I still have a lot of my Jordans, guys, that I need to get rid of. But I have a lot of jackets in here. I tried kind of color coordinating them, like tan, brown, gray, pink, white. Down there I have a basket of chanclas and heels. And then this is all my gym clothes. I have some more bolsas in here in this little bucket, but these are all my gym clothes. I have my gym tops, my gym bottoms, and then gym jackets. So yeah, that's the first side of my closet. The main side of my closet, which I use the most, is here. I have all my Uggs, all my clothes, most of my clothes. Down here I have basics. So here I have like going out shirts. There I have basic shirts. Under there I have socks. This is a whole bunch of miscellaneous things. I have hangers. And yeah, this is my closet. It's not the cleanest, but I do what I can because it's just super crowded and overfilled. So yeah, that is my final room tour, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried going as fast as possible so I don't bore you guys, but let me know what you guys think about this new setup. And I don't know if I have filmed a video in my room while it's changed or not, but oh, I think I have actually. But comment down below how you guys like my new room setup. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.